Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to change Samsung phone language from Arabic to English. To change your Samsung phone's language from Arabic to English, you want to open up your device's settings. So go to settings on your device and next you want to scroll down and select general management. So over here, you want to make sure to go ahead and click on system. Now this also depends. So you want to go to the system or you could go to general management. And on this page, what you want to do is tap on the language option at the top of the general management menu or system menu. So here you have the system language, right? So select that out and then you want to make sure to go ahead and click on add language. So now you want to make sure to go ahead and tap on the search bar, type in Arabic. So this is the one. Now you just need to go ahead and select it. So now for example, I'm just going to go ahead and type in this. And once you've actually added a language, now what you could do is you could switch over, and this is how you could change Samsung phone's language from Arabic to English. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.